today we're going to start lesson 16, and lesson 16 does not add on anything in the way of rules. It's just going to change what we're looking at. So we're going to learn the pictorial system. Pictorial simply means picture. So rather than working with our pawns and our stars and our cubes, we're going to just draw what we know onto a balance. So this is going to be an example. So we have two pawns, and I'm going to draw two pawns on here, and they're pawns, so I'm going to color them in, and I have two of them. And then I've got a star on the right and a 6 cube. Okay. So I could have drawn these as just X's and then the star symbol over here. You can do it either way as long as you understand what you're doing. And what we're going to do is go ahead and solve for both pawn and for star. So we know that we have a number cube on the right, but we do not have a number cube on the left. That means we're going to keep this number cube right where it's at, and we need to get rid of whatever is with that number cube, in this case a star. So how do I get rid of a star? Well, I need to create a zero pair. So in order to do that, I'm going to need a pawn on this side. If I add a pawn to this side, I also have to add one to the other side. So I just added a pawn to each side. So my scale is still in balance, but now I have a zero pair that I can take off. So I just remove that zero pair by drawing a circle around it, kind of like a lasso, and an arrow off. So that now leaves me with 3 pawns equals 6. So my pawn is equal to 2. My star is equal to -2. And then I go back to my original problem. I had 2 pawns, and those 2 pawns were 2 apiece, so that's 4. And then I have 6 minus 2, which is 4. So 4 equals 4. As I mentioned, we could have also done this with X's. So if I drew another balance here, instead of writing, drawing the 2 triangles, I could have done X and X, and over here I could have done star and 6, and I would have solved the same way. I would have added a pawn over here and a pawn over here. Those go away because a star and a pawn together are a zero pair, leaving us with 3 X's, or 3 pawns equals 6, and our X would still be equal to 2, our star would still be equal to -2, and our check would still be 4 equals 4. Just a different way of drawing it. So on this one, I'm not going to draw the triangles, I'm just going to use the X for the pawn and the asterisk for the star. So it says that I have 2 pawns, so I'm going to write 2 pawns, and then I have a star, and then I have a number 3. So I have 2 pawns, 1, 2, I have a star, and then I have a 3 cube, and on the right I have 2 stars, and I'm just going to draw a 15 cube. I know normally we'd have to do a 10 and a 5, but since I'm drawing, I can just make a 15 cube. So let's look at our number cubes first. We're going to figure out what is the smallest number cube we have, and we're going to take that away from both sides. So if I have 3 here, I want to take that away. And if I do it here, I have to do it here, but if I have 15 and I take away 3, that leaves me with 12. So now this is gone. The 3 cube is gone on the left, and on the right my 15 is now a 12. So now I only have cubes on the right hand side, so I know that if I only have cubes on the right, that I have to get rid of anything else that's with that right hand side, that's on that right hand side. And I have 2 stars. On the left I have 1 star, so I could take 1 star away from the right and 1 star away from the left, and that now leaves me with 2 pawns on the left, and on the right a star and a 12. We still need to get rid of this other star. So how can we get rid of another star? We can make a 0 pair. So let's add a pawn to each side of the equation. What happens when I have a pawn and a star? That's a 0 pair. We'll take that off. On the left hand side we now are left with 3 x's, and on the right we have 12. So if we have 3 x's, or 3 pawns equals 12, then 1 pawn equals 4. Star would be equal to the opposite of 4, or negative 4. And then we need to do our check. We have to go back to our original problem. If we go back to our 2 x's, we had 2 x's which are each 4, and 4 plus 4 is 8, and 8 minus 4 is 4, and 4 plus 3 is 7. 2 stars would be negative 8, and 15 plus negative 8, or 15 minus 8, is 7. And 7 does equal 7, so that is a check. I'm going to do this one a little bit differently. I'm going to start drawing in one color, and when I get to the point where I'm ready to switch to go to, let's see what I can find here. See if I can use one of these. Okay, we're going to go ahead and draw it on in black, and then when we go to move some things, I'm going to do it in a different color so that it's easier for me to do my check at the end. So this tells me that I have a pawn, or an X, so I'm just going to write an X. It tells me I have to remove 3 stars. I do not have 3 stars, so I'm going to have to put on 3 0 pairs. There's 1 0 pair, 2 0 pairs, 3 0 pairs. I just added a value of 0, a value of 0, and a value of 0, so that I can remove these 3 stars. Now I'm doing this in black because this is my original setup. My original setup I'm going to do all in black. After I remove the 3 stars, it tells me I have a positive 2, so I'm going to put a 2 cube on here. And on the right I have 8, and I have to remove 2 pawns. I don't have 2 pawns to remove, so I'm going to create some 0 pairs. Star and a pawn, a star and a pawn. Says to remove 2 pawns, so those are gone. So this is my original setup. I have 4 pawns on the left and a 2 cube. On the right I have an 8 and 2 stars. I'm going to put my black marker down, and I'm going to pick up my light blue marker and see what I can do to simplify here, or to move things where I need them to go to. First we look at our number cubes. We have a 2 and an 8. Which one should we take away, the 2 or the 8? Let's look at the smaller one. We're going to get rid of the smaller one, which is 2. If I put a circle around here, I can take it off. And if I have an 8 cube and I need to take 2 away, I'm going to cross that off, and that's going to leave me with a 6 cube. what I've done in blue or this lavender color is what I'm doing to solve. It is not my original setup. So we've taken away the 2 from both sides. This 2 is gone, and 8 became a 6. Now we're looking at, we only have a number cube on this right. We have the 6 cube. So we need to get rid of these 2 stars. So how do we get rid of 2 stars? We can create some 0 pairs. And to do that, I'm going to have to put an X here and an X here. And if I do it to the right, I have to do it to the left. So that is a 0 pair, which cancels, and that is a 0 pair, which cancels, leaving us on the left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 X's, and 6 X's are equal to 6. So X is equal to 1, which makes star equal to the opposite of 1, or -1. And let's go back and do our check. Remember, our check is only going to be what was in black to start with, but nothing that has a circle around it. Those we took care of before we finished the setup. So if we know that X is equal to 1, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. Here we have 8. Take away 1, which is 7. Take away 1, which is 6. So 6 equals 6. That is a true statement. So our solution for X equals 1 and star equals -1 is accurate. Okay, let's try this one. This one is a set problem because we have 2 sets of star plus 4 plus 3 X's equals star plus 3 X's. So let's start drawing first. We have 2 sets of star plus 4, so I've got star plus 4, and we have star plus 4, and then we have 3 X's. 1, 2, 3. On the right hand side we have star, and then we have 3 X's. 1, 2, 3. So there's our original setup. So whatever we do when we go back to do our check, this, what's in purple, this purpley pink color, that is what we're going to work with. So I'm going to use my blue to start solving. We only have number cubes on this left hand side, which means we've got to get rid of all of the other things that are on this left side. So we have a star and a pawn. Those cancel because that's a 0 pair. We can do that again here. Now I don't have any more stars over here. Do I have any pawns on the other side I could cancel with? Well, yes, I can take off this one and this one. And that leaves us with 8 equals a star plus a pawn plus a pawn. Well, I know that a star plus a pawn is a 0 pair. So now I have 8 equals X, or pawn equals 8, which means my star equals the opposite of 8, which is -8. Remember, this is also written like this. And then we do our check. We go back to the original pink that we had. We know that our stars are -8 and our X's are 8. So we have -8 plus -8 is -16. Negative 16 plus 4 is negative 12. Negative 12 plus 4 is negative 8. Negative 8 plus 8 is 0. 0 plus 8 is 8. And 8 plus 8 is 16. On the right-hand side, we have star, which is negative 8, and negative 8 plus 8 is 0, and 0 plus 8 is 8, and 8 plus 8 is 16. So 16 equals 16. That is a check. So what we've learned this time is just to draw the whole thing out on your paper. On your final exam, you won't have the ability to use your pawns and cubes, but you can draw it out on your paper. You'll have as much paper as you want for that exam. So I encourage you to draw these and get used to drawing them on your paper so that you can solve these really large equations pretty easily and quickly. Thanks for joining me.